If you're looking for a piece of luggage that holds a lot of stuff but stays out of your way while you ride, the TS3200DE Deluxe Cruiser tail bag is a spacious, feature-loaded option. Starting with the main compartment, you've got a wide top opening that makes it easy to get in and out of this bag. Inside, there's enough storage space to really pack in some cargo, and it's wide enough to comfortably fit a large laptop. If you want to keep certain small items separate, the inner walls are equipped with hanging clips and a variety of pockets designed to fit phones, pins, and business cards. The compartment's opening flap also has a mesh pocket on its inner-facing side. In there, you'll find the rain cover and plenty of extra space that's perfect for stuffing in the rest of your rain gear. The entire compartment is expandable, giving you a little more room for those longer journeys. The tailbag side compartments each have unique designs. Both feature an external zippered pocket and stretchy mesh pouch for grabbable items like sunglasses or maps, but that's where the similarities end. On one side, you've got another sizable area that can be expanded in addition to the expandable main compartment. The other side, instead of expanding, can be zipped off and used as a small backpack. Great for off-bike toting when you only need a few items and don't want to bring the entire tail bag. This side also has an external drink holder to keep your beverage at a reachable distance. Finally, on the back of the bag, there's another zippered compartment for a few more small items. The TS3200DE is made of UV, water, and weather-resistant material, allowing for durability even in the harshest conditions. The bottom of the tail bag is covered with heat-resistant non-skid material. Combine that with the tunnel shape and you've got a perfect fitting bag that maintains a firm grip on your motorcycle. Saddlemen's universal quick detach mounting system allows for fast, painless installation, and when you need to take it off, removal is just as easy. Shoulder straps and a top carry handle offer comfort and efficiency as you carry your bag to the next location. When it's back on your motorcycle, its rigid construction allows it to hold its shape so it always looks great, even when it's empty. All compartments have lockable pulls to keep your belongings secure. Clothes, shoes, snacks, laptops, spare helmet, whatever you have stays safe inside this bag. Available for right around that $160 price point, the TS3200DE Deluxe Cruiser bag is a spacious yet practical piece of luggage that lets you prepare for journeys of all sizes. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly, knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.